Shenzhen Mlife Household Products Company Limited is one professional sports water bottle supplier in Shenzhen, China. Our factory is located in Qingxi, Dongguan, very close to Shenzhen. We mainly produce Tritan sports water bottle, gallon gym bottle, stainless steel vacuum flask, plastic straw cup, and stainless steel tumbler. All these bottles are widely used in home, office, outdoor, suitable for cycling, hiking, camping, running, bodybuilding. All our products comply with LFGB, EU, REACH food grade testing standard. All materials are BPA-free and recycled, eco-friendly to the environment. Our products are easily taken and operated by both adults and kids. We have professional engineer support, 24-hour served sales team, and competitive price superiority, which attract customers from all over the world. We have exported to more than 40 countries, including Germany, France, UK, United States, Australia, Japan, Korea, Mexico, Brazil, India, Thailand, Indonesia, Middle East, and South Africa. After several years' development, we have achieved great progress. We are equipped with automatic injection blowing machines, painting machines, print machines, and multifunction testing machines. Our R&D department provides a strong technical support to achieve our OEM/ODM projects. We can produce at least 10,000 pieces bottle injection per day. We are a reliable supplier of the sports water bottle with 2 years warranty. Here we are looking forward to a long-term cooperation with your esteemed company.